Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you, but this time with my favorite bedtime tea for singers. Now, I find this tea really relaxing to have before bed, but it is also really good for your voice. So let's talk about the ingredients. So our first ingredient is Manuka honey, which is really useful for us singers because it packs a serious health punch, and it also has antibacterial properties, which is great for supporting us during the winter months. A healthy body equals a healthy voice, and also one of the main components or key components of Manuka honey is MGO, which has rich antimicrobial properties, which is just great for us as singers. So yep, honey. So the next ingredient is the ginger, because ginger has warming properties and it increases blood flow. It is also anti-inflammatory and full of antioxidants, and it has no caffeine, making it one of the best things to eat before singing. And ginger can really help to soothe an irritated throat and really just boost your immune system when you're sick. So ginger. So our next one is mint. Mint is good for digestion and a healthy digestive system, which contributes to our overall health. This in turn helps our vocal muscles and lungs to operate at full capacity when singing. So our next one is cinnamon, which is a herb that really helps to clear the throat of secretions, and it also has antibacterial properties. So regular use is really just going to help to improve your voice. So our last ingredient is lemon, which has a high source of vitamin C to help fight infection. Lemon contains citric acid, which really helps to break down mucus in the throat, and it also helps to relieve us of throat inflammation. So those are the ingredients. So now let's make the tea. So first we're going to start with the ginger. So you want to take your ginger and then give it a little bit of a smashing. Oops. Okay, once you've got the ginger, you're going to add in a little bit of mint. Continue on. Just grinding it up, mixing it together. All right, then once you're done with the mint, you're going to add in some cinnamon, and I'm just going to break a little bit of this off, and it just really begins to crumble. So I'm just going to add in those crumbly bits. And then again, just gonna grind it up a little bit so it all mixes together. Okay, then I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna put it all in here. And I don't even know the name of this, by the way, so it is what it is. This is what I do. This is how I make my tea. I'm gonna close that. There we go, and then that's ready to go into my tea cup. I'm gonna put that in there. Then add a little bit of lemon. Let me just secure this. Add a little bit of lemon and a little bit of the Manuka honey. And then hot water. And then this is the tea. Gonna let that brew for a moment, and then voila, it's a little bit hot, but there is your bedtime tea. So that's it for your bedtime tea. Give it a try, and let me know in the comment section how you found it. But that is pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you again soon. Peace. Ow!